Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your Twitter account or X account. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using. And on the browser, you want to simply go ahead and search for Twitter recovery, just like that. And then click on the first help.x.com regain access tab. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page. And here, what we need to do is simply go ahead and give them your reasons of why you have faced this problem, or you could also go ahead and tell them you forgot your password and so on. And then you'll be able to go ahead and submit a ticket. And when you go ahead and do that, right away here, you can simply go ahead and select I forgot my password. Then you want to simply go ahead and choose your email or phone number. Once you've simply done that, you want to simply go ahead and give them your phone number and they'll send a verification code. And once you've done that, they will let you create a new password. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.